love bugs, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Rose. For today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a makeup tutorial, but I'm also gonna be reviewing the Carli Bybel and ABH palette. I did receive this in PR, and as if you guys know, I haven't been on YouTube for about a month, so I haven't really reviewed anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys today. Before we get into this video, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell, that way you guys get notified every time I upload a video, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, wherever I am on social media. I have everything down below for you guys. And yeah, let's stop talking crap and let's get to this video. Okay, you guys, so as you know, I am on ABHpr list, so I had the pleasure of getting the Carli Bybel and Anastasia Beverly Hill's palettes. I was super excited to hear when they collaborated on a palette together, because Carli actually is one of the first YouTubers that I've ever followed and has inspired me to actually, do makeup and do my own YouTube channel. So I was super excited to see that they came out with a palette. Now this is what the palette looks like. These are all the shades, but this is what it looks like. Super pretty. This is definitely like Carli. This speaks Carli. It screams Carli. Like, if you know who she is and you've been following her for a long time, just like I have, these are definitely the type of colors that she usually wears on her eyes when she is doing makeup. I do feel like this palette is very, very like neutral, everyday type of palette. And in my opinion, just because there are times that I do work on clients, I would say that this is a perfect bridal palette. Like, this is like just the shimmers, the pinky rosy tones, like just perfect for bridal. They also did send me their holiday glitters. It's 5 glitters. This is what they look like. I know they look white in the bottle, but they all have a different color shift in them. So I will be using one of these as well. And then the last thing that they also sent me was a nude lip bundle. So this is what it looks like here. Everything is available on their website. If you are interested in purchasing anything, you can go ahead and purchase. And I believe, I don't know if the glitters are in like Sephora or Ulta, but I know the palette is. So if you guys want to just get the palette, go ahead and do so if you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the makeup, and as I am doing the makeup look, I will let you guys know my thoughts on shadows, pigmentations, blendability, and all that good stuff. So okay, so okay guys, so I just dropped my palette and it hit the corner of something. I don't know if it was my, yep, it hit the corner of my ABH foundation stick. God damn it. So I broke Bybel. I don't know if you guys can see, but I broke Bybel. God dang it. At least that was like the only shadow. I'm so broken. Oh my god, I'm so upset. Okay, we're just gonna move on. Okay, so first shade I'm gonna go in with is Chai. This is what it looks like here. And I'm gonna use this as somewhat of a transition. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this in the area that I want to pat it. So as you guys can see, pigmentation is definitely there. There is a little bit of fallout in the pan. I don't know if you guys can see, because I have like that glare from the daggone window. There is a little bit of fallout, so if you're someone that does not like fallout in the pan, then this definitely might bother you. But I would say it's not like excessive, it's just a little bit. So now that I have that down, I'm just going to go ahead and start blending those edges upwards a little bit. And just so you know, the brush that I'm using is the Makeup Shack T82 brush. thanks to Rocio Cejas here on YouTube and Instagram for talking about the Makeup Shack and giving out her coupon code, because these brushes are amazing, you guys. But the next one is called Steve. It's this shade here. Such a beautiful, beautiful shade, you guys. So freaking pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that into the crease area. And I'm using my Morphe M506 brush. You guys know this is like my ride or die brush. These little mini blending brushes are amazing. So still the same, a little bit of kickback, nothing crazy though. And I am applying a little at a time because this is a like maroon type burgundy, and I don't want to, not even, could it be like a maroon? Nah, it's more like a, just like a true burgundy. And I don't want to apply too much at a time and then it looks crazy. Okay, so now we have the eye exactly how we want it. Pigmentation is there. Everything is blended nice together, like super, super pretty. Like, I just love the way this color looks. Ugh, it's so cute. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with, I wonder if that would, no, that would just lighten it up. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Boy, which is this shade here. I think that's how you say it, Boy. Yes, I'm like horrible. I am horrible with names. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my Morphe M562 brush, and we're gonna pop this in the outer corner. Just a little bit to give a little bit of definition, because this is the darkest shade in the palette. And this one is definitely like a cool tone type of brown, like a grayish brown. It's super, super pretty. And as you guys see, it just blends really, really nicely with all the other colors. I'm gonna go in with Bybel, as I said. And I'm gonna take my ABH brush in A3. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. That's the shade that broke, you guys. Oh, yeah. And we're just gonna pat it. This is such a pretty color. Because I actually want to put OA, which is this shade here. It's the most glittery shade from the palette. I want to put that on the lid, but I want it to have like that purpley kind of background. So I'm actually going to use my fingers, because shimmers always work best when you use your fingers. And that's literally for like any palette that you use, not just this one. Alright guys, so I decided to just do the other eye off camera. And before I go ahead and do the glitter, I'm actually going to do my base first, because I don't want to have a mess. I mean, I'm not really going to have a mess with the glitter, I know that for a fact, but it's going to put the base. I'm going to start off with primer. And primer I'm using is the No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. So, let's talk about the shadows a little bit while I'm doing my base. Morphe Fluidity F2.6. So as you guys see, shadows blend really, really nicely, and the pigmentation is definitely there. What I would say is that for that burgundy maroony type shade, pairing it with chai kind of gave it more of like a reddish type of, I'm trying to like say it say it properly, but it's more of a neutral shade now, like a redishy brownish neutral type of shade, rather than that strong heavy maroon shade that it was before. But other than that, everything looks really nicely. That shimmer is so pretty. Okay, so I'm also gonna go in with the Fluidity concealer as well from Morphe, and this is in the shade 155, C155. I definitely need to get like a darker shade because this is definitely too light. But I'm just gonna apply a little of this right here. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my ABH foundation stick in Chestnut. This is the shade that I use all the time to contour, bronze up the skin. So that's what we're gonna use. Some for my double chin, double chin, double chin. Alright, and then I'm gonna take the Makeup Shack T31, and this is legit, you guys, my all-time favorite brush to use for blending out any type of cream contour. Like, it does such an amazing job, and it does it so quickly. Like, look at that, it's already blended out. Bam, look at that, just gorgeous. Damn, I really forgot how good this foundation is. Like, just looking at my skin, I'm just like, damn, you look flawless. Nice. I really need to stop buying makeup and just like use what I have, because your girl be going ham when it comes to buying makeup. Mix the two again together. Just like that. And I'm gonna go in with my, I'm gonna use two setting sprays. So I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and Setting Mist. So I'm gonna use this first just to melt all the powders together, because I feel like this does a great job at doing that. And I'm just gonna look in the mirror and let it, you know, sit and dry a little bit, and then boom. And then I'm gonna take my Draw Cosmetics Slay Out Setting Spray. This is the one that they did with Rich Luxe, and this is in mint chocolate chip. This stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so freaking good, you guys. Oh, it's like so nice and cooling, but it smells like mint chocolate chip. Exactly like mint chocolate chip. I do have a coupon code with them, so if you guys want to save 30% on any of the items, anything that is not a sale item or a bundle item, you can save some money on. Ouch. Use code ROSEVMUA. I'll have everything down below. And then I'm gonna go in with my ABH Amrezy highlight. They need to come out with another collection, like another collab. Narina. Another collab, please. Which I'm sure they are. I can guarantee they are. Like, look at this. She's blinding, okay? She's just, ugh. I had two backups, and I put this on my mom, and she was like, ma'am, can I have one? So I gave her one, and now I have one backup. So I'm actually gonna put this in the center of the eye. Okay, and then I'm gonna take somewhat of a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this Moda Pro brush in BMX 466. It's a shade brush, like a fluffy shader brush. Gonna try to tap off whatever excess I can, and then just lightly tap. So we have the lip set. Yeah. So we have the lip set. This is all the shades that came in it. You have 1, 2, I believe 4 liquid lipsticks and a lip gloss. So for this look, I kind of don't even know what I want. I don't know which one I want to use. So this is the gloss. Yeah, this is a gloss. Super freaking pretty. And then the rest are lipsticks. I kind of want to use this one because it's like a metallic. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to go in with On Nudes, which is the darkest nude. And then I'm going to put in the center Beaming, which is like the metallic liquid lip. Okay, so I'm going to use one of my favorite lip liners, and this is from ColourPop. This is BFF3. This is like everyone's jam. Like this color with your nude lipsticks are bomb. Oof, oof, you guys, oof, yes, look at, she's gorgeous, she's gorgeous. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. If there's any other palettes, collections, whatever you guys want me to try out, please let me know down below. I am going to try and get the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collection when it restocks. Sadly, I wasn't able to get it. I know that's probably going to be one of the biggest collections that people want to see reviews on. So yeah, let me know down below. I'm definitely going to be doing that one. So there's a no-brainer for that. And then also go ahead and check out my babe, Darian Isaac, his merch collection. He is dope as hell. His artistry is like seriously like he got it, okay? Definitely. He is such a sweetheart. Always pretty much supports me and gives me advice anytime I need it, and is someone that is definitely gonna be a key in the change of this beauty community, which is a hot goddamn mess these days. But yeah, check him out. Check out his merch. He has t-shirts, he has sweatshirts, crew necks, zip hoodies. He has everything, okay? He has a lot of stuff. So yeah, go ahead and check him out. Just wanted to do that for him because he is such an amazing soul, and why not? I'm wearing this shit, right? Might as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.